What data format for large files in R? I produce a very large data file with Python, mostly consisting of 0, false, and only a few 1, true. It has about 700.000 columns and 15.000 rows and thus a size of 10.5 GB. The first row is the header. This file then needs to be read and visualized in R. I'm looking for the right data format to export my file from Python. As stated here, HDF5 is row-based. You get much efficiency by having tables that are not too wide but are fairly long. As I have a very wide table, I assume HDF5 is inappropriate in my case. So what data format suits best for this purpose? Would it also make sense to compress, zip, it? Example of my file.
Zipping won't help you, as you'll have to unzip it to process it. If you could post your code that generates the file, that might help a lot. Also, what do you want to accomplish in R? Might it be faster to visualize it in Python, avoiding the read/write of 10.5 GB? Perhaps rethinking your approach to how you're storing the data, e.g., store the coordinates of the ones if there are very few, might be a better angle here. For instance, instead of storing a 700K by 15K table of all zeros except for a 1 in line 600,492 column 10,786, I might just store the tuple 600,492, 10,786, and achieve the same visualization in R.
SciPy has scipy.io.write, which makes files that can be read by R's readm command. SciPy also supports several different sparse matrix representations.
So, infrastructure.